Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K quality video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project on CapCut, and then we can choose video that we want to edit, and I'm going to select this video and click on add to import the video to our project. Okay, and we're going to apply blur effect to this video. You can go to the video effect and then search blur effect. Okay, you can apply this blur effect. You can click on the check mark to apply it, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and then we're going to export this video, but before it, I'm going to adjust the video first. We can go to the adjustment, and then you can go to the grabs, and we can adjust the grab like this. You can follow my adjustment. You can adjust all the color. Okay, and the last one. Okay, done, and then click on the check mark, and then we're going to export this video. Okay, I recommend you to export it in the high quality. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new project. We can import the original video, this one, and also the video we have exported. You can click overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to import this video. Okay, and you're going to zoom in to fit the screen and go to the splice menu and then select burn, and you're going to make it around 45. Okay, click on the check mark, and then we're going to add white background. You can go to overlay and go to the CapCut library and search white background. Choose photo here and select this white background, and then I'm going to make it align with my video. And then we're going to zoom in to fit the screen. Go to the splice and select overlay, and then you're going to make it around 80. Okay, done, and this is the final result, and then you can export it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 4K quality editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.